Good morning. Good morning. Guys, I didn't scold you, okay? I really didn't scold you. I'm telling you people the reality. Please don't waste the drives, yaar. Please. Okay, online students, good morning. Offline students, good morning. ನೋಡವ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ yes what we learned yesterday good morning yes what we learned yesterday guys data types in SQL first of all have you done the program which I gave yesterday yes what was the question I gave product database for I didn't mention for what product which product have you taken which product have you taken close the door ma. For which products have you taken or have you created the table electronics someone has done for cosmetics others who has not done raise your hands who has not done raise your hands genuinely raise your hands who has not done the assignment ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು I know very well ಲೋ ಇನ್ ಎಷ್ಟರೋ ಬೈಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೈದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿದೆ ಕಣ್ರು okay fine online students have you people done it at least online students only Sanjay has done others okay take down the next heading as boys love this word a lot yes what is him guys what do you mean by alias aliya alla not son-in-law what do you mean by alias nickname boys are very familiar about this why rowdy shitters ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ alias ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ yes so guys alias in SQL is also means it means that it is alternate names so what where you will give this alternate names where can you give this alternate names you can give this alternate names to columns and also can you give it to rows rows is not possible why because in rows you will be entering the data except the first line in a table which is a heading leaving that all others are data so you can never give alias to rows okay now in this alias you have column alias and you have something called as table alias you have something called as column alias and you have something called as table alias okay so now first of all I want to create a database for company the database name should be company okay and the table name should be employee okay and in the column it should consist of employee ID and it should consist of employee name and then it should consist of employee salary clear I want these 3 columns inside the table now can you give me inputs for this my dear students can you give me inputs for this yes please tell Okay, I will only give the inputs. You people watch. Okay. I will give the input like this. Okay. I'll give inputs like this. Clear? So now, what can I give the salary? Salary. Tell something, no. 30 rupees or 30,000. 30,000, okay, next. 35,000, okay, next. 40, okay, next. 45, okay. Then 50,000. Clear? So now, you people tell me. You people tell the query for this. Now, the query is, take down the question. Take down the question. The query is, I want to display all the employee names. I want to display all, look, baritin irro. I want to display all the employee names. So how will you display all the employee names? First, tell from first. So first of all, you have to create the database. Yes or no? So how to write here? How to write here? So I will say it as create database. And what is the database name? What is the database name? The database name is company. Guys, when I'm telling something, please listen. Please listen. Okay, then what I have to do? I have created the database. Now I have to use the database. So I will say use which one? Use the database called as company. Okay. Next, what I should do? Next, what I should do? I have to say create table. What is the table name? What is the table name? The table name is employee. Yes or no? So now should I open the braces? Yes. Okay. Now let me open the braces. Now tell me the first column name is? The first column name is? It is employee ID. What is the data type? The data type is integer. Okay. What is the next one? Employee name. The next one is employee name. What data type can I give for this? Let me take it as varchar. What is the size for this? 30. Okay. What is the next one? Employee. It is employee salary. What data type can I give for this? Int. I can give decimal for this. Yes or no? I can give decimal. I will say it can accept 10 numbers, and after 10 numbers, you should get one. Yes, done till here? Yes or no? Now what I have to do? Now what I have to do? Online students. Now what I have to do? I have to say insert into which table? Insert into employee. Insert into employee. What I have to insert? I have to insert the values. Yeah, tell me the value. 1, okay. Inky, okay. Next one, I have to give the salary as. Should I mention it inside single quotes or double quotes? Single quotes. Why? Guys, string you will insert inside single quotes or double quotes. It's just a number. So can I write like this 30,000.00? Can I write like this? Next one. Next one. I have to say insert into which table? Insert into the table called as employee. And what I have to insert? I have to insert the values. Then what is the value here? 2. Next. Okay, next. What is the salary? The salary is 35,000.00. Yes. Next one. Guys, first see here, then you people can write. Next one is insert into employee. Okay. Then what I have to write here? I have to write something called as values. Okay. What is the next data? Next data is 3. Next one is, okay. Next one. What is the salary? The salary is 40,000.00. Yes. What is the next one? What is the next one? I have to say insert into what? Insert into employee. Then I have to say insert the values. Then what is the next input? Next input 4. Then monkey. Okay. Who is the monkey of my class? Who is the monkey of my class? Ah, yeah, correct. Yes. Next one. Next one. What I have to say? I have to say insert into employee. Insert into employee values. Okay. Then what is the next one? 5. Next one is which you people are. Then what is the salary? Which you will never get. Yeah, when you people are not serious, no. Ella bittu bittu bartiralla. Hey, why are you all so silent today? Guys, from yesterday I'm observing you all are very silent. Please, I like my class being noisy. You kach 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 anta ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. Okay, please, so talk. ಇವರಿಬ್ರಿಗೆ ನಗು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಪ್ಪ. Ma'am, can you explain what is this? Okay. Sikender, it is nothing but the first one you have given 10, no? Guys, can you people tell me if I mention this as decimal 10,1, what do you mean by this? I can enter and ask decimal value, you should one number. Yes or no? Sikender? Yes. Sikender, it means you can have 10-digit numbers and that one represents after a decimal value, you can have one number. I mean, one number. Yeah. Clear? Clear? So now, my question is, you have created the database, used the database, you have created the table also, and you have inserted the values inside the table also. So now, if I want the complete table to be visible, then what query I will be writing? For salary, comma will not be used. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah. Can you tell me that now I want to display this entire table. So now what you will write? Okay, let me write it this side. Yeah, please tell me. Please tell me, guys. Select. So you have to say, if I want to get this entire table, I will say select star from employee. Okay. My next query is I want to display only the employee name. I want to display only the employee name. So what you will write? So I will write select select employee name from employee. Yes or no? This is the query you will write. Yes or no? So now what I want to do is, so if you give this only this code, see, if you give this code, you will get this entire table. Yes. Now only if I run this code, what the output I will get? What output will I get? So I will get only the column which is having only employee name. Okay. So what is the employee names here? What is the employee name here? The employee name is, the first one is Inky. Already Inky, Pinky are there in my class. Next one is Chinky. Next one is Monkey. Which you people are? ನಿಮ್ಮೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸೇರ್ಸಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಏನೋ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಏನಂದ್ರಿ? Okay. So now you will get the output like this. Yes or no? So now what I want to do is, by using something called as column alias, I want to change this entire column name. I want to change this entire column name to employee full name. I want to change that entire column name to something called as employee full name. How to change? So now for that one, what you have to do is, first I will say select. What you have to select? I want to display the employee name. Yes or no? So I will select employee name as what you want to change. You want to change it to something, so you will be using one keyword called as. You will be using a keyword as. Okay. Then as what you want to change the name, it is nothing but you want to change the name as, you want to change it as employee full name. Yes. From which table? You will be writing from the table called as employee. Clear till here? Yes or no? So now how will I get the output? So now can I say that this employee name will get vanished and now you will get it as employee full name. Okay. Clear till here? Now first of all, open your laptops. Guys, now again what I will do, again you have already changed the column name. Now by using this column name, I want the same output. Will you get or will you not get? Who will say, ma'am, I will get? Raise your hands. Everyone. Who will say that, ma'am, yes? Here, before it was employee name. Now it is employee full name. Now, if I want to again display this, what you will say? You will say select employee full name from employee. Yes. When you give that code, and press on enter, will you get that output like this? Yes. Just now you said yes, no? Just now you said yes. Why? Why? Ravi? No. Adbhuta on Torustini. Ravi, why you raise your hand? For what? Your hand was paining, so you raised her? Huh? Yeah, light on, Manma. On the light, no. No, don't turn. Okay. Guys, who will say no, ma'am, I will not get? If it is no, why? If it is yes, why? Who will say yes? Raise your hands. Fast. Who will say yes, ma'am, I will get this output? Raise your hands. Others? Who will say no, ma'am? In ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲ? Others. Neither male nor female, others. Huh? Go down. Traffic is there. Go on. Are there any transgenders here? No. Ravi, what is your option? Will you get the output or will you not get the output? Hey, sure. You say you will get the output or you will not get the output? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. You will get the output. Yusuf. Not. Chandu, what you'll say? Will you get the output? Vivek. Baruttama. Dushyant. Neen barutte down baralla antane. Okay. I'll do one thing. Online students, what about you people? Will I get the output? Now, I will write the query saying that select employee full name from employee. Okay. Type the code fast. Let me share the screen. Everyone have written this? Yes, everyone. Guys, I want you people to write it in your notes and also in the laptop. Nan sumne barita illa. Nan kai notiದ್ರು I am writing. Super, mama. Online students, did you people sleep? I'm asking you people a question. How many are there in the class? Adesh, Bhumika, Darshan, Divya, Lakshmi, Charan. Okay, shall I clear this? Shall I clear this? Yes or no? Hey. Ravi's birthday. Abhi birthday on ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? If I ever listen that word in my class, no, mawa. See what else? Yusuf, I'm telling it to you only. Okay, see the board. See the board. Everyone. Guys, first see the board, then you people can type it in your laptops. Yeah, what is the password? Hey. Yeah, is the screen visible? Is the screen visible? My dear students, I'm asking you something. Is the screen visible? Now? Now visible? Okay, what is the first thing I have to write here? I have to create, first of all, a database called as create what? Create database. What database I have to create here as? I have to create a database called as company. Okay. So now what I have to do? Next one, what I have to do? I have to use the database. I have to use the database. Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Now next thing what I have to write? Next what I have to write? I have to say first I have to create a table. And what is the table name? Employee. Should I open the parenthesis? Then what is that I want to enter? What is the first column name? It is employee underscore ID. Then what is the data type? Int. Next one. Next one. It is employee underscore name. What data type I have to give here? Varchar, and I will give it as 20. Next one, I have to say employee what? Employee salary. What is the data type? Decimal. I will give 10, 2. Yes. Next one, what I have to do? Guys, can you all concentrate here? Ravi, yesterday's programs which I gave, if you don't show, no, then see. Next one, what I have to say? I have to say insert into which table? Insert into employee table values. What values I have to insert? The first one. Next one. Inky. Okay, the next one. I have to give 0.00. Correct? Yes or no? What is the next one I have to give? Let me change the index ID to 2. Next one is, okay, what is the salary? What is the salary? 35,000, correct? Okay, next one. Next one. It is 40,000. Yes or no? 40,000. What is the name? What is the name? Okay. What is the ID here? ID is 3. Okay. Next one. Where is Suhas? Nadila. Okay. After this, what is the next value? The next value is 45,000. Then what is the next name? What is the next name? Monkey. Okay. What is the ID name here? Value here? 4. Yes or no? Okay, now I'll say enter. Next one. Next one. It is 50,000. Then what I have to do here? Now let me change this to donkey. Okay. What is the ID here? ID is 5. Yes or no? I have inserted all the values inside the table. Now what I have to do? Now what I have to do? My first requirement is I want to display this complete database. Yes, I mean complete table. So now what I will do here? So I will say select star from, will I get? Can you see? The database table I am getting it. The database table I am getting it. Now what is my second requirement? I want to take only the employee name. I want to select only one column. Am I using selection or projection here? Selection. Am I restricting any rows here? No. So now what I want to do here? I will type something called as select employee underscore name, and then I will say from employee. Yes. Am I getting only the employee name? Yes or no? Yes. So now what I want to do here? I want to change this column name by using column alias. I want to change this column name by using column alias. Then how to do this one? So I will say select. What I have to select here? Employee ID or employee name? Employee name. As what I want to change here? As I will say I want to change it as employee underscore full name. Yes. From which table? I will say from now. Can you see? Previously what my output was? Can you see? Here you have the same one. The column first I have it as employee name. By using column alias, now the employee name has got changed to employee full name. Is there any change in the data? Both the data are same, but only the column name is getting changed. Now, the column name I have changed it to employee full name. Okay. Now, by using that employee full name, I want to display that column again. How to do that? How to do that? Here you have said select employee name and you have given alias and you have changed it to employee full name. Now, I want, now for this employee name, the column has already got changed to employee full name. Yes or no? Now I will say select employee full name from employee. Will I get? So now let me say, see it. Select, what is my new name here? What is my new name? Employee full name. Yes or no? Employee full name. From which table? From employee. From employee table. Okay. Now what is happening? What is it saying? It is saying unknown column employee full name in the field list. Now you can ask me a question, ma'am. By using alias, you have changed the column name to employee full name. Yes or no? Now, if I'm using the same thing, see, select employee full name from employee table. I am getting this, the column is not found. Or there is no column at all like that. Why am I getting like that? Anyone, any idea? Guys, when you created the database, in the database it is stored as employee full name, employee name. Yes or no? That is already stored. For you people, for just seeing the output, you are changing it to employee full name. But by default, it is not that. You will be using this employee full name throughout your program. Only for that moment you are changing the column name. Now, if I again say select employee name from employee, will I get? So let me see, I will say select employee name from, see, clear? By default, just because you are using column alias and you want to, the column name will be changed, and when you use that name and you want to display the output, it will not work, because in your database, when you are inserting the value or when you have created the table, it is by default stored as employee name only. Only for showing the difference for you people, I have only for fraction of seconds by using alias, I have just shown the output, but it will not change the name in your database. Am I clear with column alias? Yes, everyone, Vivek, Dushyant, Ravi, Yusuf, Chandru, okay, done. Now, how to use this table alias? How to use table alias? Now you have another one. You can see, for changing the column alias, I said select employee name as employee full name. No. Now, if I don't use that keyword as also, will I get it? Will I get it? Will I get it or will you not get it? I will say select employee name, and I will say I am getting, no? I have not used the keyword. I have not used the keyword as. But still, can you see I have given it as employee full name? Yes or no? Now, can you tell me what is the difference from the previous output to this output? Huh? Other than that, there I had given employee underscore full name. Yes or no? And I had used the keyword as. Now, I'm not using the keyword as. I'm not using the keyword as, or I'm not using any underscore. I'm not using any underscore. But if I want to display any alias name, if I want to display a column alias or table alias, then without as keyword, by giving some space, you will be using it inside double quotes. You will be using it inside double quotes. See, can you observe here? Yeah, can you see here? I have said select employee name. I haven't used any keyword as or anything. I'm saying employee. I'm giving the full name within the double quotes. See, now the column name has got changed and the same data it is getting retrieved. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes. So what are the two types of alias? One is without space, one is with space. One is without using as keyword, one is with using as keyword. Now, if I just give select, employee underscore name, I'll give some space and I will again say employee underscore full name, and I will say from employee. Will I get the output? See, What is the difference from the previous one to this one? I have not used double quotes. I have not even used the as keyword. Yes or no? But still I am changing the column name. I am using column alias and I am changing the column name without using as keyword. Am I getting it? Am I getting it? Clear? Clear with this one? Please write this down. Then don't come asking me, ma'am, I didn't understand. You didn't teach me. Clear? Write this down. Online students, are you people clear with this? Online students. Ma'am, is it case sensitive? No. No, no. Guys, done? Yes or no? Yes or no? Boys, at the last. Hey, reply no. You are opening the laptop now. ट्राई करना है यार हो गया ठीक ना you I have said don't use workbench guys 101 times I have said you people not to use workbench use command line yes or no then you girls even you also I have said you people many times don't use workbench don't use workbench use command line ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾ ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ I said don't use workbench. Don't use workbench. ಏನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ connect what you have to connect with cha not give Lalima by Lalima Lalima कुछ पूछ रही हो बात इज नॉट सेट क्यों जब मैं बता रही थी तुम लोगों को कर ले कर ले कर ले नहीं सुनते हो तुम लोग हाँ guys, 1 second. Hey, what is that giggling? Okay, take down the next heading as table alias. Take down the next heading as table alias. Now, the query is, take down the query. I want to display both employee ID and employee name. I want to display both employee ID and employee name. How to do it? How to do it? Can you tell me the query? Yes, everyone. Everyone. So what I have to say? I will say, yeah, select employee ID, comma, employee underscore name. Should I give employee name or employee full name? Employee name. Okay, from which table? From so what is happening? I'm getting both employee ID and employee name. Now what is my table name? Employee. Now I want to change the table name from employee to EMP. From employee to EMP. Now what you will do? How can you write the query? Can I say select employee ID, comma, other thing what I want to select? Employee underscore name. Now what I have to say? From employee EMP. What happened? What did I do here now? What did I do here now? Guys, before previously you have seen I can change the column alias without using as keyword also. Yes or no? Now I want to change the table name. Where you will be changing the table name? In the second line. Yes or no? From table name. Yes. If you observe there, I have just given from employee. I haven't given any space. I haven't used any as keyword. I am just saying change it to EMP. Clear? Now I want to see what is the table name. How to show the table name? How to show the table name? Huh? I want to see you have created a database as company. Yes or no? In that, what is the table name I want to see? Because I have already changed the table name to EMP. Yes or no? Now I want to see the table. Now what you will do? Show. Okay, I have to say it as show tables or table. I have changed here as EMP. I am getting it as employee. Why? Same as the previous one. Same as the previous one. In your database, already while you are inserting value or using the database, you have stored it as employee. Yes or no? Now for just using that keyword, I mean for just using the table alias, I am changing the name to, I'm changing the name to EMP. Clear? Clear with alias? Yes or no? Everyone? Neha, clear? Yes. Now take down a question. Take down one question. Guys, take down this question. Yeah, take down. Write a query. Write a query. Online students, are you people following or sleeping? Online students. Sleeping? Okay, sleep. Okay, take down the question. Write a query. Write a query to create a table named. To create a table named. To create a table named course details. Course detail. What will you keep the table name as? Table name is, so this is your table name. What is the database you will create as? Database, you create it as V stand for you. Database name, you create it as V stand for you. Clear? Clear? Now, what and all the column can contain? I want to display the columns. What and all this column can contain? It can contain course ID. Yes or no? Next one, it can contain course name. Yes. Next one, it can contain course fees. Yes or no? What else can it contain? What is duration? Huh? Okay. Take duration. You take duration. 2 months anta ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. 2 months anta ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. What is the data type you'll take for this? Care. Okay. Yeah, you take it as duration in month. Take it as duration in. Next one. Next one. What else can you have in this column? ID, course name, course fees, duration in month. Can I take start date and end date? That okay, month. Next one. Next one, what else can you take? Srisha, Krish, placement. Lalima. Okay, display all this. Okay, now the query is, the first query is, you have to change the first query. This is query. You have to change both course ID name and course name. The course name you cannot change. What can I change? Yeah, the column. Yeah, you can change. I want to change the column name of both course ID and course name. Okay, done by using column alias. By using column alias. By using column alias. Clear? Done? Yes. Now I want to change the table name by using table name. Table name. Lalima. Table name. I want to change by using table alias. I want to change what I can give. Just take it as course from V stand for. Yes. Am I clear? Am I clear? Please do this. Please do this, and next we will start a topic called as operators. Operators. ಏನಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ದುಷ್ಯಂತ್ did see Ravi has done even you are not getting the huh hey ಚಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಹಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮುಖ ಗುರೈಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಕಣೋ ಈಸಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಬೇಡ ಕಣೋ 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಿಂದ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ ನಿಖಿತಾ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಒದ್ದು ವೈ give why it's not working let me just password and password ತಪ್ಪು guys done online students done okay take down the next heading as operators in ಅದೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಹಾ ಕ್ವೆರಿನೇ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರೀತಾ Yeah. Guys, take down. Everyone. Take down the next topic as operators. Operators in SQL. Can you tell me what are the two different types of operators? In operators, what are the different types of operators you will find in SQL? Huh? In this operators, you have something called as symbolic operators, and you have something as keywords as operators. Keywords as operators. Yeah, can you tell me what are the different types of symbolic operators? Symbolic operators. Can I say the symbolic operators are arithmetic operators? Yes or no? Arithmetic operators. Now tell me, what are the different types of arithmetic operators? One is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, what are the different types of comparison operators? Comparison operators. One, you have lesser than, greater than, lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal, equals. Yes or no? So these are the different types of what operators? So these are the different types of comparison operators. Under that you have symbolic operators. Yes. What are the different types of keywords? What are the different types of keywords? Keywords. So can I say you have your logical operators? Yes or no? What are the different types of logical operators? You have int, c, and, or, and, not. Next one. Next one, what do you have? Huh? You have in operator. Next one, you have between. Yes or no? Between do you have or you don't have? Next one, what do you have? Like operator. Yes. Then online students, then do you have not null? Not null do you have? Do you have not null or not? Then huh? You have not in, no? It is not null. It is null. And what do you have? Not in, you don't have. Not in, you don't have. You have distinct. Take down. Take this down. Done with this? Done. Shall I rub this? Yes. Why do you require operators, guys? Why operators is required? Why operator is required? To perform some operations. What operations? What operations? Okay. Now, assume that you have a table. Assume that you have a table as employee. Okay. Assume that you have a table as employee, and in this one you have employee ID. Next one you have employee name, and next one you have employee, and next one you have employee salary. Clear? So now can you tell me values for this? Can you tell me values for this? Instead of talking, tell the values. Yes, everyone, tell. So let me take it as 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and 106. Okay. Now tell me the values here. Tell me the values. Yeah, values. Yeah. Next one. The next one. Hey, what is your spelling, Ra? Y. Y-O-U. Correct, huh? Hey, next one. Next one. Rebisa. Next, girls, you don't want your name in this, sir. Hey. Yeah, salary. Lalima, how much salary you want? Lalima, how much salary you want? Online students, are you people alive? Online students. Okay, tell me the salary. 65,000. Abhi. Next, Yusuf, how much you want? Yusuf. Ravi. Pratibha. Okay. Done? Yes. Okay. So now, this is the table here. This is the table. Now what I want to do is, I want to display, Ravi want 1 lakh rupees and Charan is telling, Sira, you will not get, don't worry. Next one. My first query is, I want to display the employee salary. I want to display the employee salary. How to display only the employee salary? How? What I have to write? Okay, select employee salary. Okay, from A. Yes or no? Okay. Now the second query is, I want to select employee name and employee salary. I want to select both employee name and employee salary wherever the name Yusuf is there. I want to select both employee name and employee salary wherever the name is given as Yusuf. How to write? So I will say select employee select employee name and should I give and or comma? Comma employee salary comma again from okay from employee. That's all. Now I have to give where employee name is equals to where employee name is equals to correct. Yes. So now what is the output I'm going to get for this one? So only here I will get this one. I will get the name here, that is employee name. What is the next column? Next column, I will get employee salary. Yeah, what is the data here? Yusuf. And what is the salary here? 35. Clear? Take down the next one. I want to retrieve all the employees name and salary. I want to retrieve all the employees name and salary. Employee name and salary when all the employees salary is incremented by 10,000. All the employees salary is incremented by 10,000. How to write? So now which operator I have to use here? Which operator I have to use? Hey, which operator under which it comes? Then say that. It comes under arithmetic operator. So you have to use plus. Increment means plus. Yes or no? So now what I have to write here? Yes, everyone tell the query. I will say select. I want to select both employee name and employee salary of all the employees when it is incremented by 10,000. How to write? Okay, select employee name, okay, comma, employee salary from now I am saying that each and every employee salary I have to get the output when it is incremented by 10,000. So can I say here only where employee salary plus 10,000? Yes or no? From which table? Now see whether you will get this query or not. Check whether you will get the output or not. First of all, you have to create this table. The table, insert the values inside the table, then you have to perform this operation. Please do it. Everyone, online students, are you people following? Charan, Nikita, Navya, Sikender, Saklen. Yes, please enter this data. What is the database name? Take it as company only. ಪುಷ್ಪಿಗ ಹ ಹಳಿದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ನಿಂಗೆ ಮಾ ನೀನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ್ಗೊಂದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಡು ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಿನ್ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ ಇನ್ನು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ನೇಮು ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೇಮು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸಸ್ ಶೋ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸಸ್ Anjali, command line client, not workbench. You are understanding? What happened to command line? You are not getting a command line client is not coming. Not command line client, it is something else. See? Fought with my brother nicely. I gave no. Because of his anger, I went and hit my hand to wall. Password. Root password. When you open this SQL server, ಹಂಗೆ 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 ಇರ್ಕಿಮೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ தெரியலையா ಹಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ தெரியலையா பாஸ்வேர்டு தெரியலையா இங்கே பண்ணு இங்கே பண்ணு Good, Sanjay.